Hello students, today we'll start a new chapter of class 3, that is fun with numbers. So in this chapter we'll talk about numbers. So first we'll talk about counting of numbers above 100. So first I'll talk about number less than 100, that is 28. So 28. So here 8 is at 1's place and 2 is at 10's place. If I will add 3 here, so it will become, first 3 is at 100's place. So I can write it as 300, place value of 3 is 100. So I will write 300 and how we read it? 28. So I will write 28. Let's talk about next example. $198. So 8 की place value क्या है? 1's, 9, 10's and 1 at 100. So how will I write this? 100. So write 100 and what we read it? 98. So I'll write 98. Let's take next example. So 6 के place value 1's, 10's and 100's. So how will we write? 400. How we read this? 56. So 456. 456. Let's take another example. Place value of 7, 1's, 10's and 100's. So 5, how will we write it? 500. So write 500 and how we read this? 47. So write 47. Let's take more examples. 879. So how will we write? 100 place, 10's place and 1's place. So 8 and 100. So we'll write 800 and how we read this? 79. So I will write 79 here. Okay. So how can we read this? 700. This is at 10's place and this is at 1's place. So 797. Then next, write 100's place, 10's and 1's. How will we read this? 847. Next example, 989. 1's place, 10's place and 100's place. So how will we write? 989. Okay, and then hundreds, tens and ones. So how will we write? 999. So after this what will come? If I will add 1 to this. So this is a 3-digit number. So here we'll talk about 3 digits number only. So students, now we'll talk about forward and backward counting. So first we should know what is the meaning of forward. So forward means to move ahead. आगे बढ़ना, and backward means to move back, पीछे की तरफ बढ़ना. So here first example is jump 2 steps forward. Forward means to move ahead. So now see this number 104, 106, 108. So these numbers are increasing. So we can say write these numbers in increasing order, or increasing order we can say ascending order. So forward का means होता है we can write the numbers in increasing order or in ascending order, in which numbers are increasing, जिसमें numbers क्या हो रहे हैं, बढ़ रहे हैं. 104, 106. So question is 2 steps forward, कि हमें 2 step forward बढ़ना है, आगे की तरफ बढ़ना है. So in these numbers, ये कितना प्लस हो रहा है इसमें, 2 plus 104. So they are moving 2 steps forward. So I will add 2 in this. 104 plus 2, it will come 106. So here 106. So if I will add 2 to this number 106, 106 plus 2, what will come, 108. So I will add 2 here. So what will come, 108 plus 2, 110. If I will add 2 to this number, 110 plus 2, 112. If I will add 2 to this number, 112 plus 2, 114. Here next example is jump 2 steps backward. इसमें example है 262, 260, 258. It means numbers are decreasing. जो number है वो decrease हो रहे हैं. Or we can say backward decreasing order और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, जिसमें जो नंबर हो रहे हैं वो क्या हो रहे हैं, डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं. 262 जंप बैकवर्ड हो रहा है, मतलब नंबर कम हो रहे हैं. 262 माइनस 2, माइनस अब हम करेंगे इसमें माइनस, 262 माइनस 2. सो नंबर इज 260. देन अगेन subtract 2 from 260. 260 minus 2 is 258. Now subtract 2 from this number. 258 minus 2 is 256. Then again subtract 2 from this number. 256 minus 2 is equals to 254. Then subtract 2 from this number. 254 minus 2 is 252. Now see the next question. Jump 10 steps forward means increasing order. So numbers are increasing here. 110, 120. It means gap is of 10 numbers. So here 10 numbers are increasing. So 110 plus 10 is equal to 120. See, 110 plus 10, it's 120. So here if I will add 10 to this number, 120 plus 10 is 130. Then if again I will add 10 number to this, 140. Then add 10 numbers to 140, it will come 150. Then add 10 numbers to 150, it will come 160, and so on. Now let's talk about counting in tens up to 100. So in this 10 is already here, so we'll add 10 to each last number. So this is 10, so if I will add 10 to this number, so what will it become, 20. So I will write 20 here. So again if I will add 10 to this number, 20 plus 10, so it will become 30. So I will write 30. Then again add 10 to this number, 40, then 50. After 50 what will come, 60. Add 10 to 60, 70, then next 80, then add 10 to this number, 90, then 90 plus 10 is 100. Now let's talk about counting in 50s. In this we have to add 50 to each last number. That is 150 plus 50 will be 200. Let's see here, 150 plus 50 is equals to 200. Then again add 50 to this number, will come 250. 200 plus 50 is equals to 250. Then 250, add 50 to this number, 300. Then again add 50 to the last number, 300 plus 50, 350. Then again add 50, 400. Then 450. Then next 500. Now expanded form. So we have to write these numbers in expanded form. First, take one example, 456. So what is the place value of 4 here? 100. Place value of 5 here? Tens. And place value of 6 is ones. So how will we write this in expanded form? 400 plus 5 tens, that is 5 tens is 50. Ones is only 6. So 400 plus 50 plus 6 is 456. Next is 547. Place value of 5 is 100, 4 tens and place value of 7 is 1. So how will we write? 500 plus 4 tens means 4 tens 40 plus 7. So expanded form of 547 is 500 plus 40 plus 7. Next 346. Place value of 3 is 100, 4, 10 and place value of 6 is 1s. So how will we write in expanded form? 300 plus 4 tens, that is 40 plus 6. So expanded form of 346 is 300 plus 40 plus 6. Next is 747. Place value of 7 is 100, place value of 4 is tens and 7 is ones. So we'll write in expanded form 700 plus 4 tens, that is 40 plus 7. So it will become 700 plus 40 plus 7. The next 879. Place value of 8 is 100. Place value of 7 is tens. Place value of 9 is ones. So how will we write? 800 plus 7 tens, that is 70 plus ones, that is 9. So 800 plus 70 plus 9. Thank you students. I hope you understand the chapter.